Hello there, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel. In this video, I want to show you how to connect to the internet on your new Hisense TV. If you find this video helpful, like and subscribe to YouTube channel for more important videos like this. So if you have a new Hisense TV and want to connect to the internet, this is exactly the steps you should follow. So as you can see on my screen, this is my new Hisense TV that I just bought and I want to connect it to the internet. So what do? All I do is come over to this menu section here and I come to settings. In settings, this is how it looks like. I come to the option that says connection, and in connection you are going to see network. Now you go over to network and click on it. You are going to ask network configuration, so you are going to choose the first option, which is disconnected. You're going to go over to this, but let's choose this. Once you go over here, you change this to wireless. So as you choose wireless connection, the wireless connection that are available to you are going to show up. Like for instance, this is my home internet. So I can click on it, put in the password, and then I connect. Once that's done, once I put in my password, all I have to do is to click connect. Once I click connect, my internet is going to be connected immediately, and if I go back home, I'm now connected to the internet. As you can see, so I'm connected to the internet right now, and this is how to connect to the internet on your new Hisense TV. It's very simple. If you find it video helpful, like and subscribe to the YouTube channel for more important videos like this.